In this video, you'll learn how to make Telegram channel private. So this can be done using two methods. It's either you're opening a new Telegram channel and you want it to be private, or you already have a public channel, or you already have a channel already and the channel is public and you want to make it private. I will be walking you through these two methods. Are you already a channel owner and you want to make it private, or you just want to create a new channel and you want to make it private? So just go through this together with me. Just before we head straight into the video, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please, you might want to consider smashing the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell and as well, give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Now, let's go straight into the video. Here on Telegram, let's go for the first option, which is you want to create a new channel and you want to make it private. So what you need to do is to use the pencil icon here and you click on new channel and let's just name it a random name, and you get to describe, let's just give it a random name, and you get to use this, mark the button here, and this is where you are being asked whether you want to make it a public or a private channel. Now you want to make it a public channel if you want to monetize and make money on it, but you want to make it a private channel if you don't want to monetize and you just want to have just restricted members access your channel only. And with that being said, let's go to the second option, which is you already have a channel already and you want to make the channel go private. So now this is one of my channels and I'm going to be using that in a moment. Then I click on the channel and this is the interface of the channel. Then you click on the name up there and you get to find the setting, all right, icon, where you get to find, you scroll down and you use the channel type. You can see the channel type over there. Then you click on the channel type and you see the option here. You can make it private as it has been in public already. So this is how you do this, and basically it is what it is. So thank you very much. I believe you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.